Hey, ncvikefan here. I'm going to do a recap video. I opened one box of 09 Rookies and Stars and two boxes of Donruss Threads 09. I'm going to do it by box because one of the boxes of Threads I opened was just nasty. First, the Rookies and Stars. Got a Matt Ryan longevity to 25. Donovan McNabb jersey to $2.99. A dual jersey of Matthew Stafford, Brandon Pettigrew, number $2.99. Andre Brown two-color patch, number to 50. And a Michael Crabtree autograph 49ers patch, number to 139. First box of Threads open. I actually got shorted a hit. Got Drew Brees jersey to 250. A Peyton Manning jersey to 250. And a Joaquin Iglesias rookie class letterman, number to 200. So I really got screwed in that box, but more than made up for it in my last box. I actually got 6 hits in this box and they were all autographs. First one, not too good. ncvikefan Gridiron King auto to 150. Ray Maluga Gridiron King auto numbered to 25. Andre Brown letterman numbered to 175. Muhammad Massaquoi letterman numbered to 180. And this is where it gets good. Matthew Stafford Gridiron King autograph numbered 6 of 25. And a dual jersey card autograph Gridiron King Mark Sanchez, numbered 13 of 25. I purchased these boxes. I'm going to give them a plug. All Things Collectible, Gastonia, North Carolina. So if you're ever in the area, go check them out. I guess that's about all I got for you. Most of these cards are going to be listed on eBay. I'm going to try to get some of them on there tonight. eBay ID is I Love Sports 68, and I'll put a link to the left of the page here, and if you would, go check it out. Appreciate it.